There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Durango SXT Plus in Vapor Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control with stop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7586.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.